Hello everyone and welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to take the needed body measurement to draft a pant sloper or pattern. I hope by now you know the difference between a sloper and a pattern. If not, watch my video titled Difference Between a Sloper and a Pattern. I will leave the link down in the description box and comment section as well. To start out, you will need some horizontal and vertical measurements. I'm going to start with the horizontal measurements first. To get an accurate body measurement for a pant sloper, you will need to wear some fitted pants or leggings. I have on a fitted skinny jeans and the hem is fitted as well. Next, find your actual waistline by tying an elastic around your waist like so. Then bend from side to side so that the elastic can fall at the crease at your side seam when you bend, hence the reason I am bending from side to side. Next, tie another elastic around the fullest part of your hip like so. With that done, we're ready to start taking our needed measurements. First measurement is the waist circumference. Measure around the waist over the elastic on your waist. Then record your measurement. The next measurement is the high hip circumference. This measurement is very important if you have a little pouch at the bottom of your stomach. It's usually between 3 to 4 inches below the actual waist. Measure around your body the high hip circumference. Then record your measurement. The next measurement is your hip circumference. Measure around the fullest part of your hip over the elastic on your hip. Then record your measurement. Next measurement is the thigh circumference. Measure around the thigh which is below your butt cheek. If your thigh is bigger at some other point on your thigh area, then use that as your thigh measurement. Loosen the tape around your thigh by 1 to 2 inches for ease, so that the tape measure can sway around your thigh like so. Then record your measurement. The next measurement is the knee circumference. Grab a chair and place your leg on the chair to get a bended knee. With the tape measure around your knee, bend your knee. As your knee bends, the tape measure expands around your knee. Move the tape measure up and down to make sure you have enough ease for your knee measurement. Then record your measurement. Next measurement is the ankle circumference or the instep circumference. Instead of measuring the ankle circumference, measure the instep circumference. With your leg placed on a chair, measure around the heel of your foot like so. And just like the knee measurement, move the tape measure up and down your ankle so that the tape measure goes in and out of your foot like so. Then record your measurement. Last horizontal measurement is the dart placement. There are 2 ways to measure for dart placement. Take your apex to apex measurement, which is your nipple to nipple measurement. Second method. First, locate your belly button. Move the nut on the elastic over to your belly button. Then place the tape measure straight down from your apex to your waist elastic. Then from the elastic, measure up to the elastic nut point. Then record your measurement. The first vertical measurement is the hip depth. Measure from the waist to the hip level at side seam. Then record your measurement. The next vertical measurement is the crotch depth. To take this measurement, grab a chair with a solid surface to sit on. Make sure the chair is of a good height so that when you're sitting, your leg is at a 90-degree angle. Then measure from your waist to the surface of the chair at side seam. Then record your measurement. The next vertical measurement is the knee length. To get an accurate measurement of the knee, you could tie or wear an elastic band around your knee to help indicate your exact knee point when measuring. Another way to get an accurate measurement is best if you have someone take this measurement for you, and also to do it in front of a mirror so that you can see what you're doing. But if you don't have someone to help you take this measurement, use this method. Hold the tape at the metal plate like so. Step on your tape measure with the heel of your foot and then gradually release the tension on your leg while pulling the tape measure up at the side seam till you reach your waist. Note where the tape measure hits or touches your knee point or knee level, then record your measurement. The next vertical measurement is the pants length or the outer seam length. This measurement is taken from your waist to your desired length of how long you want your pants to be. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to measure all the way to the ankle level because this tutorial is for a long pant or long trouser. This is also another measurement that is best achieved if you have someone take the measurements for you. With a marker, mark your ankle point on both sides of your foot. Just like you did with your knee measurement, step on your tape measure, then gradually pull your tape measure up to your waist. Note where the tape measure hits or touches the ankle point or the marker point. Then record your measurement. The last vertical measurement is the inseam length or the inner seam length. Place the metal tape of your tape measure between your thigh at the seam of the pants. Then step on the tape measure with the heel of your foot. Then gradually pull the tape up on the other end until the tape measure is straight and tight. Note where the tape measure hits or touches the ankle point or marker point on your ankle. Then record your measurements. Okay everyone, we've come to the end of this tutorial. If I have helped further your fashion designing experience, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, share and leave your comments down below. Until my next video, bye!